Hello there, we're looking at regrouping, or some people would say exchange, when it comes to subtraction. So here I have the number 204 and I'm going to be minusing or subtracting or taking away 165. So here it's in my digits. Here it's in, you can see in the picture format where I've got two lots of 100, 0 tens and 4 ones. You can see that is 4 ones. Now in order to do this, I have to start on the right hand side in the ones place, and 4 is smaller than 5, so I can't take 5 away because I don't have enough. So I have to come across to the tens. I'm looking at the tens and there's 0 tens there. So then I have to go all the way across to the hundreds. So what I do there is I exchange or regroup this group of 100s for equivalent, which is 10 groups of 10. So as you can see, these are in tens. So I'll place this here. What I now have is I've got 100, 10 groups of 10, and 4 ones. So what that looks like here, I have exchanged, or I've regrouped. Take 100, this one, I exchange it, that will leave 1. Come over here, I place 1 next to that, because that's representing 10 groups of 10. 10 times 10 is 100. And at this stage, I actually then have to get another one over here of these 10. So if I then cross out this 10 minus 1, group of 10 leaves 9, groups of 10, in which case this now becomes 14, in which case I need to bring this group of 10, place it next to the 1. So what this looks like, I have 100, 9 tens, 14 ones. Now I can do this. 14 minus 5 leaves 9. 9 minus 6 leaves 3. 1 minus 1 leaves 0. So I could put a 0 there, or I could just leave it as is. And you just don't want to stop there. You actually want to do the inverse operation, just to double check your answer is correct. Inverse means the opposite, and operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In this case, subtraction, the opposite would be addition. So if I'm just going to turn it into a plus. Now, if you get this top part here, originally I started with 204. If I add these two numbers here, it gives me 204, I know I'm correct. So 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay, and you can't have 2 digits in one place value there. So I need to bring the 1 or exchange, bring it over here, place it next to the 6 or on top. It's not going to represent 16. We're adding this one over here, which is now a 10. So how many 10s do I have? I have 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. And I don't put the 1 down here, I'm bringing it across the hundreds and place it here. So our next step is 1 plus 1 is 2. 204, which is what we originally started with. And that's the way you double check your answers. I hope that makes sense.